Hey y'all, it's Nicole and I'm at Buffalo Ridge in Celina here to check out your house. So the last time we went through, they had just started the electrical and plumbing roof. So we were on a little bit of a hold as we waited for the city to come through and inspect it and give us a green light to continue. So now, wait till you see what they've done. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, all right, so this pile of debris is leftover sheetrock. So your house is now sheetrocked. You have walls. How exciting is that? Oh my gosh, that makes everything so much different once you get in there. And then this other pile on the pallets over here, that is the stone for the outside. I don't see any brick anywhere yet, so we're still waiting for that to be delivered, but that should be delivered sometime, I would think tomorrow, because they were telling us that we should have brick and stone by the end of this week. Let's go inside. I'll take you through the front door. Oh my goodness. Wow, you guys, it's starting to look like a home. How exciting. Wow, okay. So, as we come in, we'll go off to the secondary bedrooms on the right, and then the shared bath in the middle. Oh, awesome. That is so cool. Wow, it looks amazing. And then let's take a peek at the closet. All the way down on either side. Great use of space. One across the hall will be identical, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And yep. There we go, same closet, same bedroom. And let's check out the bathroom. Tubs in, super exciting. So we are officially in a stage 6, which means Horton takes 8 stages to complete. So you're very, very close to being completed. All right, then off to the left, we have our 3rd secondary bedroom and bath, and then the laundry room. So there's the laundry room. Nice big dedicated laundry room, love that. And then you have your other full bath. Bathtubs are in. And then the 3rd secondary bedroom. Nice tall ceilings, and then a closet just like the other ones. It goes all the way down on the inside. Okay, back out to the main part of the house. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cool. So you'll have like a little workspace here. No, it'll be a buffet. Yeah. And then into the kitchen. There's that half wall for your island. Awesome. Oh, that looks so good. Your stove will be on that wall straight ahead, and then your eat-in kitchen, and then it opens up to your family room. Oh, they got the fireplace in. Awesome. And then this is the little workspace in there, little office. And now for the master. Oh, there's a little closet over here. Let me catch that. Very cool. Little coat closet. And the master. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ceilings are tall. It's nice and spacious. And the master bath. Oh, it looks good, guys. There, your sinks will go right there. Do double vanity. And your little water closet. bathtub, separate shower, and the master closet. This giant master closet. Okay, so you'll have rods all the way across, I believe uppers and lowers. So all the way back here. And then over in the corner as well for more. So his and the rest is hers. Very cool. Wow, y'all, this is looking so good. I'm gonna check out the patio and then we'll wrap it up. Wow, awesome. So those are nice tall ceilings out here. This is actually a pretty nice little patio. And then of course your $1 million view back here. That little creek. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Okay, so that concludes the tour. Oh my gosh, so much has happened. This is so exciting. I love this part because all the design and everything will really start to come together and it'll be done before you know it. So if you guys saw anything that you had some concerns about, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will jump on it and make sure it gets taken care of. Otherwise, until next time, hopefully will be the end of next week if they get the brick and stone up. I will talk to y'all soon. Take care and God bless.